Have you ever wondered if there is a more efficient, more precise way to monitor our environment than the traditional methods we've relied upon for decades? A world where technology and nature can coexist harmoniously, enabling us to better understand and protect our environment? Let's dive into this fascinating intersection of technology and nature, where artificial intelligence and drones are revolutionizing environmental monitoring. First, consider the traditional methods of environmental monitoring. For centuries, humans have relied on manual data collection and observation. Scientists would venture into the field, take samples, make observations, and record data. This process is not only time-consuming, but it can also be inaccurate due to human error. Moreover, these methods are limited by the physical abilities and constraints of the human observers. Now imagine a world where AI and drones take over these tasks. Drones, equipped with advanced sensors, can travel to remote and dangerous locations, collecting data with higher precision and frequency than their human counterparts. They can monitor air quality, track wildlife, assess vegetation health, and even detect illegal logging or mining activities. Artificial intelligence further enhances these capabilities. With AI, the vast amounts of data collected by drones can be processed and analyzed rapidly, providing real-time insights and predictions. AI can recognize patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to discern, leading to more accurate predictions and more effective environmental management strategies. So how does this compare to traditional methods? Well, the advantages are clear. AI and drones offer a more efficient, accurate, and comprehensive approach to environmental monitoring. They can cover more ground, collect more data, and do it all faster and more accurately than humans can. This technology also allows for real-time monitoring and analysis, which is crucial for early detection of environmental changes and threats. In summary, the main points discussed today revolve around the transformative impact of AI and drones on environmental monitoring. We've explored the limitations of traditional methods and how they pale in comparison to the capabilities offered by these advanced technologies. AI and drones enable more efficient, accurate, and comprehensive environmental monitoring, offering real-time insights and predictive capabilities that far surpass traditional methods. As we venture further into the 21st century, these technologies promise to revolutionize the way we understand and protect our environment. This is a world where technology serves not to exploit, but to protect nature. A world where AI and drones become the eyes and ears of our planet, helping us to better understand and safeguard our environment. And this, dear listener, is not just a distant dream, but a rapidly emerging reality.